West Crete, open, raw, and real. This is Falasarna. Waves reach the shore, umbrellas, swimmers, light everywhere. As the sun lowers, everything changes. The light, the colors, the feeling. Above and below, it's all clear. Still, simple, perfect. People move, the beach stays alive. Even the rocky edges invite you in. And then, nothing. Just the sunset. A boat drifts by. The sky burns red. Falasarna fades, not ends. And when it's over, you'll want to come back. Comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.